Hello everyone guys and welcome to COİN's YouTube channel. Today we have a special video. In this video I will show you how to clean your coins. As you see here I have different coins. They are dirty and today I will show you how to clean it, save, and all the coins you can clean, all the metals, all the compositions with this way. So watch us till the end to find out how to clean your coins. This is Russian coin. As you see, it is dirty and I will try to clean it today. Just remember these conditions, we will try to clean it. So what we need for that, first of all we need a plate. I'll use this kind of plate. And what else do we need? We need 1 spoon of the flour. Just put in the plate this flour. 1 more spoon we need of soda. Just add some soda here. Put here, as you see, this is the soda. So, and 1 spoon of vinegar. Doesn't matter which kind of vinegar. I use the apple vinegar. So add it here, and here we see some reaction. So we need to stir it. We need to have it must be liquid. Still till it get liquid. Add 1 more spoon. Stir it very good. So guys, it's ready. As you see, we have here this kind of mess of our cleaning tool. So now what we need to do, you can stir it more. As you see here, it needs to be in this way. So we need to put the coins here. All the coins I have. So put it here and start messing the coins. It will take almost 10 minutes to mess coins like this, guys, with your hands. 10 minutes, 9 minutes, you need to do it like that. And after that we will take a look to the coins and their condition. So guys, now I will leave it here for a couple of minutes and I will wash it later, and we will take a look what is going on with our coins. So let it rest for a couple of minutes in this mess, and after that we will take a look on it. So just wait guys, couple of minutes. So guys, I washed the coins, so let's have a look what we have here. As we see, it's a little bit cleaner than previous coin. It's more yellow now, more cleaner. The Russian coin is more cleaner, as we see here. You see this? This is the damage. This is not the dirty. More cleaner than previous one. And this small coin also, you can try this way of cleaning yourself at home. Nothing difficult. It's become the cleaner. Tomorrow I will show you the other way of cleaning of the coins. So guys, please try it yourself at home and let me know if this way works, and did you clean your coins or not. So guys, as we see here, this coin is not very much, but a little bit cleaner than previous condition. So guys, please like this video and write your comments if you can do it this way or not. And thanks for watching. Subscribe on our YouTube channel. In the next video I will show you the second way to clean your coins. See you guys.